Hello to all, welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video, we'll study about the maintenance window in Azure SQL Database. On the screen, you can see the standard documentation by Microsoft. Here, the maintenance window is defined as a feature which allows us to configure maintenance schedule for SQL Database, and the same is applicable to the managed instance. What happens is Azure periodically performs maintenance or planned maintenance of SQL database resources. During maintenance event, databases are fully available but can be subject to short reconfigurations within availability SLA. Maintenance window is intended for production workloads that are not resilient to database reconfiguration, cannot absorb short connection interruptions caused by planned maintenance events. When we choose this window, we can minimize the impact of planned maintenance by scheduling it to occur outside of your peak business hours. If we go down, it says maintenance window is free of charge and can be configured on creation or for existing resources. For a newly created resource or for an existing one, we can create this. Gain more predictability with maintenance window. We can adjust the window for maintenance updates to a time schedule to our Azure SQL resources by choosing from the two non-default maintenance window slots. Non-default maintenance window slots for the Azure SQL is given below: 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., Monday to Thursday,
Friday to Sunday,
weekdays and weekends. We can schedule it to these non-default maintenance window slots. We can read in more detail about the same. We can set the notifications, etc. But in the current video scope, we'll study how we can create Azure SQL and then set the maintenance window, or on an existing SQL, how we can set the maintenance window. So let me take you to the Azure Portal. Here we are having a SQL database which is already created, and on the left side you can see under the settings there is a maintenance tab. We'll open the maintenance, let it load for some, let this page load. So we can see here maintenance window is loading. We have to wait. So the maintenance window for this particular database is default. Okay. Now here we have the option under the drop down for the maintenance window to select the two other defaults: 10 to 6 a.m. which we read, weekdays and weekends. So if we set here to weekdays and click on save, this will change the maintenance window. So the update is in progress. Now the maintenance window has changed from Monday to Thursday, 10 to 6 a.m. We'll go back to the overview and back to the maintenance tab. Wait for the maintenance window here. And on the notification bar, we can see that the update is still in progress. So we'll wait for this update to completely save for this database. And in the meantime, what we can do is we can create a new resource. So let me take you back to the resource group and we'll create here SQL Database. Click on create a new SQL database. Here we'll write the name of the database as CK SQL DB. We are checking maintenance window MW. Let's create a new server. CK SQL DB maintenance window server. Let's use SQL authentication, CK SQL DB, the password for the server, and should be okay. Okay, this is for development purpose, networking, public endpoint. We'll allow these firewall rules, go to the security. We have to do nothing here. And here comes the maintenance window tab. In the additional settings tab, we have maintenance window. We have to select the preferred window from the drop down. During maintenance, database remain available, but some updates may require a failover. The system default maintenance window is from 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. limits most activities to this time, but urgent updates may occur outside of it. To ensure all updates occur during the maintenance window, select a non-default option. This is system default. System default is 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. The other two defaults are also present. We can select accordingly. Let's say we'll select the weekends one. Now we'll click on review and create. Now let's wait for the deployment of the SQL database to complete. In the meantime, we can go back here. So it says that the maintenance window is updated, and we could now see the updated 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. weekdays maintenance window showing for this SQL database. So this is how in the SQL database, under the settings, we go to the maintenance tab and change the maintenance window for an existing SQL database. And here we have created a new SQL database with the maintenance window of weekends. Let's wait for its deployment to complete, and then we'll see the resource. Let's come back after the deployment gets completed. So the deployment completed, we'll go to the resource here. In the resource, we have now our SQL MW SQL database created, and on the left panel we can see under the settings tab we have maintenance window. Let's wait for the maintenance window to show up here. We selected the weekend default option that is from Friday to Sunday. So that's what is displaying here, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. EST, Friday to Sunday. During creation, what we set as the maintenance window is showing up here. We can edit it from the same tab. We can edit from here itself, from among these three options, so that it is saved as per our maintenance window choice. Hope you have understood how we set the maintenance window for the Azure SQL database for an existing SQL database or while creation of a new database. Thank you for watching the video. Do let me know in comments if you have any queries. Happy learning. Bye.